Hi everybody, it's Moses the Locksmith. I'll show you guys what's the order and how to put the gear inside the ignition if you're changing it. So first you want to put this piece in. It will go like this way in the ignition. You want to make sure that the teeth is in the correct position. So before you connecting the other pieces, you will test it with a screwdriver, see that the car isn't cranks the car. After that, we will put these two pieces in. So first we will put this one in. Probably it will need to go something like this way inside, and then you turn it. So this one needs to be like over here, not over here, over here. Okay, after that you put this piece in, and it's connecting like this. So pretty much the idea is you can take out the ignition only when it's an on position. And why is that? This piece blocks to take out the ignition when it's an off position. You have also this pin that you can press only when the car is in on position. Then you can press this pin. Even if you drill this pin out, you will not able to take the ignition out when it's in off position. Why is that? Let's put everything together and we will see. So this is this. So pretty much you have this goes inside. Okay, like this. So when it's like this, when it's an off position, this blocking it to turn. Only when it's an on position, it could go out. Okay, and okay. So when it's an on position, it will let you take it out. Turn it, then it gets stuck on position. Okay, so again, first you put this inside this way. These teeth go more in the back. You need to test it to see that is working good before you put the other pieces in. Then you put after you put the gear inside, you will put this plate. Pretty much you put it inside something like this way, and then you turn it. After that, you put in this one like this way, something like this. After that, you will be able to put in the ignition. Thank you for watching.